Okay, so before we do a little bit of tear trough treatment, I just wanted to highlight a few things now, because once we fix it, it's going to be gone. So she has beautiful cheekbone here. All this is natural. We're not adding any volume here. So when you do tear troughs, you have to be careful to not add volume to the cheekbone, or sometimes, you can see a visible fat pad here because it's going to make it look puffier. And some patients, it makes their eyes look smaller. So there might be patients out there who've had that problem happen with like the malar mound. The injector goes right in here, makes the malar mound bigger, causes some more malar edema, like fat pad basically swelling, and it looks like this. And sometimes when you retain water, if you have allergies, this just grows and flattens, grows and flattens. So the appearance of it does. So we don't want to do anything like that. For her, she just has a little bit of lost volume there, and that's exactly where we're going. So what happens, or how do you know if your eye cream, your anti-aging cream, your concealer, how can you really tell and judge if it works or not? Let me tell you. Over here, when this is hollow, some of us have dark circles that are caused by hollowness, and some of us have dark circles that are caused by blood flow. And most people have a combination of both. When you have hollowness here, no eye cream in the world, no makeup in the world is going to solve that. The only thing you can do is put filler here, like a hyaluronic acid. Watch when I fill it. See how it just kind of goes away? I'm not pulling down on it. I'm just pushing. Gone here. Let me see if I can get a little closer. See? If you push into it right there and it's kind of like gone, you can tell it's a hollowness issue. When you do tear trough filler under here, you're just filling the hollowness, and basically this is going to be her end result. See how under her eye is still a little dark because of blood flow on all of us. It happens to everyone. But it's a lot better than this. So when she puts concealer on a canvas that looks like that, imagine you're going to see much bigger difference. And then when you put eye cream under there, your anti-aging cream, it's really going to, you're going to really see that it's going to work better because you got rid of the problem that was caused by the hollowness. A lot of people want their anti-aging eye cream to do this. I get that, but eye cream can't do that. Only filler can do that. So now you put your eye cream on top, and it helps make this skin even tighter like this, But you got to address the hollowness first, and only filler can do that. So I wanted to clarify that to save you a lot of time, stress, and money in trial and error. And a lot of times we prejudge these beauty products and anti-aging products and makeup saying it didn't work. But a lot of times it's not solving the problem, the original problem that you're trying to address. And oftentimes it's the hollowness. So I bet a bunch of you are going to go check in the mirror right now to see if you have a hollowness issue or not. But that's a good tip that I hope that helps a lot of you out.
Looks really good. I'm excited.
You have killer cheekbones naturally, and we just highlighted them for you.
Looks really good. I'm very excited. Thank you.
You like it? Do you notice like an overall lift in the
face
as well?
Yeah. Here.
Yeah, you do. It looks so nice.
Yeah.
And
I
now
can definitely tell the difference under my eyes too.
Yeah, and now the feature, your eyes really pop out.
The
eyes, the brows, the lashes, everything just like highlights it.
Yeah, it looks just like a fresher, kind of like what I want my skin creams to do. Now they'll do it.
That's awesome.